Hi, I'm Chris with Kitchen One Solutions, a hood cleaning course held in Morristown, Tennessee. I'd like to take a few minutes of your time to go over what I feel like you should be looking for when you're choosing a hood cleaning course to attend. You must ask direct questions. There are some very good hood cleaning courses out there, but asking direct questions are very important. Ask if they have their own training facility or is all their training done in the field. Either one is great. The only fallback that I've seen with doing all the training in the field is a lot of times the hood cleaning companies that you are with are on a tight schedule. So when they're trying to clean the hood and they're trying to show you at the same time, they're on a time schedule to get in and out. Chances are they're only going to hit the high points of what you need to be learning. And you're going to go back and you're going to say, well, I missed part of this. Now, however, if they're in a situation where they've got access to the kitchen all night, that's great. They should be able to take their time and go through the cleaning process from point A to point B. You should haul the high and low points. Ask how involved that you will be allowed to be in with the hood cleaning, the actual process. Will you be allowed to apply a chemical? Will you be allowed to use the pressure washer to clean out the hoods and the ducts and the fans? All these things are important. Some training facilities just want you to stand on the sidelines and watch. And you know, that's okay. You can see what's going on, but it's still not like physically getting in there with the pressure washer and going to work and seeing what you've completed when you're done. Take all these things into consideration when you're choosing a course you're going to attend. Another thing is classroom time. Classroom time is very important as well. You have to go over all the rules and regulations of NFPA 96. That's the standard for commercial cooking operations. The codes and regulations that's what your business will be based on. Those are the rules and guidelines that you will have to go by when being in this business. Classroom time is very important. When you're going through your classroom time, are they taking section by section by section? Are they showing you initially how a kitchen hood is installed, how the duct work is installed, and then show you the maintenance part of it that is required on a semi-annual basis? And the restaurants all know, they're used to it. It's just a cost of doing business for them. Deficiencies. You know, you're going to want to go over all your deficiencies that you find in fans, ducts, the fire system if you need it. That's another thing. Do they go over the fire system with you? Not that they're going to let you disarm it or they disarm it, because you should never disarm an automatic fire system while you're in the cleaning process. There's ways around it. You don't hurt the system. You don't accidentally activate it and cause a big problem. But you need to be aware of the fire system. You need to have some type of knowledge on how it works. So if you see something right off the bat when you go in that may be a problem, you want to address that problem immediately before you ever start your cleaning process. Turn off and lock out, that's the process that you should be taught in the field, in a training facility, or in the classroom. And that's the process of when you get there, make sure everything's running like it's supposed to. Then turn your fans off, turn your makeup air off, turn your equipment off, whatever you need to do. And then when you do your cleaning process, you turn it back on. Make sure everything's running right before you leave the restaurant. That'll save you a lot of nightmares. When you come in, there's certain documentation that you should keep with you at all times regarding the hood and the fans. You know, if there is a problem, say you flip the switch on a fan and you hear a big bang, 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 bang when it starts up, and then a bang, 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 bang when it stops, you know, there is a belt problem, there is a bearing problem, there's some type of problem that needs to be addressed. And you need to inform the manager, the owners at that time before you start your cleaning process, so you can have these problems documented. That'll save you a lot of liability time. Speaking of liability, a lot of hood cleaning courses, they want you to stand on the sidelines. And I know I'm repeating myself, they want you to stand on the sidelines, they want you to watch everything that's going on, and they may have a little mock set up somewhere to show you the wrapping and protecting of equipment, and all of that's great, but truly getting in there, being able to do the work is the way to go. Another thing about classroom, and I know I'm repeating myself again, classroom time is very important, all the rules and regulations you have to go through, and starting with how the kitchen hood is exactly installed, down to the maintenance. You just want to cover all areas that you possibly can. If you have any questions, like you read our website, or if you're reading our website right now, continue on reading, watch our videos. I think some of them will be helpful to you when making your decision. And we're at kitchen1solutions.com is the email address. You can find us at www.kitchen1solutions.com, and thank you for your time.